All right, so we looked at fundamental factors, we looked at our situational factors. Now the last slide, number 3, we're looking at our subjective or individually specific factors that influence our stability. All right, so number 1, biomechanical alignment. It's pretty straightforward. Is your body structure correctly aligned to amplify your strength or leverage your strength, and is it aligned to resist the force that's being applied upon you? Number 2, so sufficient muscular strength. Again, do you have the strength necessary to resist whatever is trying to disrupt your stability? Do you have the muscular strength on the joint angle? So joint angle again comes into play. So when you're looking at arm wrestling, you don't arm wrestle with your arm out here, because you're not going to have the same strength application. The goal when someone arm wrestles is usually to bring it in tight here and then pull across and down. You have better leverage. You can apply your strength better. So again, do you have sufficient muscular strength? And again, is your alignment good? So if your alignment's good, your strength will be better, or your ability to apply and leverage your strength will be better. And third point in here, coordinated muscle activation patterns, so movement patterns. Are your movement patterns good? Are your muscles sequencing in the correct order? Is your muscular timing good? It pretty much comes out to summation of forces. Are you moving well? Is everything graceful and aligned and synergistic and working together? Or are your movements clunky, and are you wasting energy, and is the turning of your hip not well timed with the turning of your shoulder, and you're not actually getting a proper weight transfer, and you're not moving kinetic energy through the kinetic chain? So it comes down to, are your movement patterns clean and crisp? This is going to affect your stability. It's also going to majorly influence your ability to leverage your strength and put out power in your strike. So huge for all sports applications, and wrestling and kickboxing, striking martial arts. And 4, let me not talk too much, variability of disturbance force. So the direction and magnitude that the force is coming at you from, again, this is a huge subjective factor. You know, it will differ. Every situation, the force is coming from a different direction. In a boxing match, you're getting hit from different angles. In a wrestling match, the guy is coming at you from different angles, different heights, different levels. Rugby, American football, you know, the force factors vary. So these are major subjective variance factors, and yeah, I'm not going to delve into that more than it's pretty self-explanatory. Like, not necessarily. I know I sometimes really like to get into the detail of things and think it through, but let me not kick a dead horse here. I'm sure you get that one. So let's move on.